Shut up and sit down.
All these warnings are caused by the amount of snow that's just built up on the sensors on one little trip. The front sensor's covered in snow, the badge is covered in snow, the top of the windscreen where the wiper blades and some of the sensors are is covered in snow. Right, let's give these sensors a clean and see if it makes any difference. Clean the ones up there, and I think the ones it's really fussing about are these. What else is in there? Let's see if that makes the car a happy car. That was all I needed to do was clean all the sensors. All the warning lights have now gone away. That's all it wanted. I bet they're back by the time I get home. Car's happy again. Let's check them when I get back home and see how much snow's on them and see if any of them warning lights come back on.